Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Check me out. All right, quick video, quick 2-minute video. Just want to show y'all. Look, check this out. PaidViewPoints. You know I cashed out earlier. I hurt my hand landscaping today. You see I cashed out earlier. Look, people. I don't know if y'all can read that. All right, video response is needed. We invite you to earn $5 if you have working webcam and mic. You are in a quiet, well-lit place, and you are ready to record a short video clip. A video recording screen will be followed by a set of regular questions. You must record the video and then complete the entire survey if you decide to participate. Our team will validate the video and deposit the earnings within 7 days. You will receive compensation if the quality of the video/audio is acceptable and all points are covered. We'll send an email notification one way or another if you won't be able to provide a video recording at the end of the survey for technical or any other reasons. There will be no earnings for this survey completed. Please remember to address our client, not PV, in the video and send any comments, questions, or concerns about this opportunity to support@PaidViewPoints.com. All right, people? Like, this is what I'm trying to tell you. It's not a waste of time, people. It's not a waste of time, people. Like, this is not the first time I got a $5 survey, okay? I really hurt my hand real bad. All right, so look, I just want to show you that real quick. All right, people. I was gonna record while I do it, but I can't because they're gonna record me, so I can't. I was thinking about setting on my phone, but I'm like so busy right now. I'm just gonna run through this real quick, try to get this $5 and see what's up. All right, I'm gonna give y'all an update video on this later. But look, people. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm trying to tell you. It's not a waste of time. I like continue to grind. I use my link in the bio. Go to freeonlinemoneymaker.com/PaidViewPoints. All right. See if you get a bonus. All right. You can sign up, get a promotional bonus. All right. Freeonlinemoneymaker.com/PaidViewPoints. All right. Yeesh.